89% of moms will love our puff heat transfer vinyl. Why? Firstly, our puff vinyl has different colors for you to choose. We have this color available. Yes, over 10 colors here, and we also have rainbow puff heat transfer vinyl. You can contact us to get the catalog. Yes, and now we have a very special puff. This is glow in the dark puff and 3D TPU puff heat transfer vinyl. So you can see we have many types of puff vinyl for you to choose. Contact us. We will satisfy your needs. And how it looks like on the clothes. So I will show you the picture. This is the white puff cut by the vinyl. And this is the effect after heating press on the clothes. You can see it has a very good fall and 3D puff effect. And it is very stretchable and durable. It's very good material, and our MOQ is 1 roll, and we can also customize into small pieces for you to sell online or on your local market. Please follow us for more information. Thank you.